Ever wondered if there's a better alternative to ChatGPT? Well, today we're diving deep into 5 reasons why DeepSeek might just be the AI you've been searching for. If you're curious about how DeepSeek stacks up against ChatGPT, stick around because you're in for some amazing insights. Let's kick things off with accuracy. When it comes to providing answers that actually make sense and are highly relevant, DeepSeek takes the lead. Unlike ChatGPT, which sometimes provides vague or generalized answers, DeepSeek leverages advanced algorithms and specialized data sources to ensure that its responses are not only accurate, but also highly contextually relevant to your queries. This means you'll get answers that are on point every time. Next up is natural language processing, NLP. DeepSeek doesn't just understand words, it understands nuances, context, and the semantics behind what you're asking. Its NLP capabilities are far superior when compared to ChatGPT's, especially in understanding complex language nuances and generating more fluent and context-aware responses. Whether you're asking a tricky question or using casual slang, DeepSeek will understand it better than ChatGPT. And if you're someone who values speed, DeepSeek outshines ChatGPT in terms of response time. ChatGPT can sometimes feel like it's taking a while to get back to you, but DeepSeek delivers answers almost instantly, saving you time and enhancing your overall experience. Whether you're at work, studying, or just looking for a quick answer, DeepSeek ensures you get the information you need in record time. One of the most powerful features of DeepSeek is its customizability. You see, DeepSeek allows you to tailor responses to suit your specific needs, whether you're in a professional setting or just need casual advice. Unlike ChatGPT, which has a one-size-fits-all approach, DeepSeek adapts to your preferences, making it perfect for any industry or personal use. You can even set preferences for the tone, formality, or depth of the response. Talk about flexibility. And last, but definitely not least, DeepSeek offers multimodal capabilities. This means that while ChatGPT sticks to text-based input, DeepSeek can process images, videos, and even voice input. Imagine being able to ask questions about a picture or video, and DeepSeek giving you intelligent, context-driven feedback. This makes it a game changer in the AI space, especially for those who need more than just text-based answers. So, there you have it. 5 reasons why DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. From improved accuracy to multimodal features, DeepSeek offers a powerful, customizable AI experience that ChatGPT just can't match. Want to see it in action? Check out the link in the description to try it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI insights and tutorials. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT? Let's discuss. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video.